Imagine this. You've come down with a sudden bout of flu, or perhaps the travel bug has bitten you, and you've got a trip planned that you just can't miss. Maybe you're expecting a new addition to your family, or you need to care for a loved one. Whatever the reason, you're going to need some time off work. And that's where the leave application comes in. It's a crucial document that communicates your absence to your employer and ensures everything runs smoothly in your absence. It might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a leave application. Step 1. Start with a formal salutation. This could be as simple as "Dear Manager" or "Dear." Remember, it's important to keep it professional. Step 2. State the purpose of the application in a clear and concise manner. For instance, you could write, "I am writing this letter to inform you that I will not be able to attend work due to personal reasons." Step 3. Explain the reason for your leave. Be honest, but remember that you don't have to disclose any personal details that you're uncomfortable sharing. A simple explanation like, "I need to attend to a family matter," or "I am unwell and need time to recover," will suffice. Step 4. Mention the expected date of your return. This gives your employer a clear indication of when they can expect you back at work. Step 5. If possible, suggest how your work could be covered during your absence. This could be by delegating tasks to a colleague or completing some tasks in advance. Step 6. End the letter with a formal closing such as "Yours sincerely" or "Kind regards," followed by your name. To summarize, writing a leave application involves starting with a formal salutation, stating the purpose of your leave, explaining the reason for your leave, mentioning your expected return date, suggesting how your work could be covered during your absence, and ending with a formal closing. Remember, the key to a good leave application is clarity and professionalism. So, whether you're jetting off for a week in the sun or snuggled up at home with the flu, you can rest easy knowing that you've taken the right steps to ensure your work is covered and your employer is informed. Now go ahead and take that well-deserved break. You've earned it.